Snapask empowers you to learn more efficiently and confidently through personalized learning support. When you are stuck on a question, snap a photo or use text to describe your question. Choose the level and subject of your question. You can send questions to all tutors or just your favorite tutor whose teaching style fits you the most. Press send and we will find the best tutor for you in a few minutes. When you are paired with a tutor, get help on the question using text, voice messages or photos. The best thing about this, there is no time limit. Press end session when you have fully understood the question. Remember to rate your tutor to let us know how your session went. Feel like you have asked this question before? Snapask consolidates and categorizes questions that you have raised previously to help you revise. Go to My Questions and choose History tab. Here you can see the questions that you have asked before. Filter questions by subject for easier review. Send us your question anytime. Snapask is always ready for you.